Today, I'm going to make this 3D product mock-up design in the easiest way. First, go to Pacdora.com. There will be thousands of packaging design mock-ups. Watch this video to get a special giveaway. So what is Pacdora? Pacdora is an intuitive online packaging design tool that integrates editing, 3D previews, rendering, and exporting, all within your browser. Unlike Adobe Illustrator, which can be challenging for beginners, Pacdora's user-friendly interface makes it easy to create professional packaging designs and more. With Pacdora, not only can you design for personal projects, but you can also offer packaging design services as a freelancer to generate good income. Sell your designs on online platforms or work directly with clients to create custom packaging solutions. To make the most of Pacdora, use my coupon code NIL for 20% off the premium package. After purchasing, fill out the form in the description to get 2 free Canva premium accounts. This will boost your design capabilities and open up even more earning opportunities. So now go to Mockups. Search whatever you want to design. I'm searching for mug. Now I'm selecting this mockup. Wait a moment to load the page. Now see the size. Here is 907 into 389 pixels. So now I'm going to make a design for mug. I'm going to Canva.com. Watch until the video to get the Canva Premium for lifetime. I'm taking the size that was in the mug. I'm going to make a very simple design. If you want to see the lucrative mug sticker design, please comment below. After finishing the design, back to Pacdora. Now upload the design. You can also adjust the design. Here is the 3D preview of the mockup. Click here to save the design. Now click to Super Export. This is mockup format and quality. This is the D-line option. CMYK color mode is suitable for print, and Format AI, Adobe Illustrator, is perfect to send your client. This is a video preview for use in your video platform with variable length and style. This is the code option to attach the design to your business website with HTML code. And finally, this is the share option for sharing this design with anyone you want. Click to Export now to export the design to your desktop folder. I will give you the form in the description box after purchasing the Pacdora plan. Fill out the form to get the 2 Canva Premium accounts for lifetime free. If you like this video, please support my channel by subscribing. Thank you.